Welcome to our first module. I'm going to assume that most of you are brand new to SQL. So new, frankly, that you might not even know what SQL really is other than a computer language used to talk to databases. So in this module, we're going to start there and both define SQL and discuss how SQL differs from other computer languages. I'll also explain the various ways that SQL is used within a database. From there, we'll compare and contrast the roles of a database administrator and a data scientist, and explain the differences between one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many relationships with the database. Once we've covered that, we'll learn our first statement, select, talk about some of the basic syntax rules, and go over the importance of commenting in your code so that you can start working on and writing some simple queries right away. I know you're eager to begin, and so am I. So let's get started.